Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can open a Camera Raw image you have imported into the organizer in the photo editor of Photoshop Elements for processing. You can import a Camera Raw image file into the organizer using any of the many methods of importing mentioned in Chapter 2. When a Camera Raw image is imported into the organizer, it is not changed in any way, even though you can see a preview of the image in the organizer. This preview is only a rendering of how the image will appear when processed, and it doesn't change the data in the associated Camera Raw file in any way. To open a Camera Raw image previously imported into the organizer within the photo editor in Photoshop Elements for processing, select the Camera Raw image to process in the organizer. Then select Edit with Photoshop Elements Editor from the menu bar to open the Camera Raw image within the Camera Raw dialog box in the Photo Editor window. Alternatively, right-click the image to process in the organizer and choose the Edit with Photoshop Elements Editor command from the pop-up menu to perform the same task. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+I on your keyboard to process a selected Camera Raw file in the organizer within the Camera Raw dialog box in the Photo Editor window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.